Yes. Thank you for lowering your expectation and take a look at my video. This is my diesel heater setup. This is the old one, yeah, and this is the newest one. And they both have the same remote. This is for the newest. The old one has the blue, has the red. I mean, I didn't start this one because this is the old unit. Let me see. Or maybe I do need to start it. Yeah, okay, I will start it. Okay, so yeah, as you can see now, this is what I'm talking about. The adjustments from 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So this is the old, yes. And here you can see this is the burn chamber temperature. If it's okay, if it's correct, how I say it, okay. Voltage, heating, and yeah, burn chamber temperature. On the new one, I have how many? Yeah, it says 8 degrees here in the basement now. It was 4 like 10 minutes ago. I put it at the 19 volt height settings, and that's it. If I want to see the burn chamber temperature, sorry, I need to do like this. You say 238, yeah? 239. I can, if I press up and down, I can go back to manual mode. Let me do that. Okay. I'm sorry, it's shaky, it's cold here and everything here. There we go. Manual. Maybe it's dirty, I don't know. It's really nice and warm, but not here. 1, 2, 3. Okay, secret code. Obviously too much. If it was I'm gonna set it start again. So minimum, I like the minimum because it, yeah, okay, and maximum, okay, do like this though. Still no temperature for the burn chamber. I need to have this in my pocket. Like this, no problem. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and nothing. Yeah, there you go.